Did you know that over 70% of kids prefer snacks that look fun? It's true. Children are naturally drawn to foods that excite their senses, whether it's bright colors, playful shapes, or creative presentations. For parents struggling to serve up healthy options, this simple fact presents a powerful opportunity. By transforming nutritious ingredients into visually appealing, tasty treats, you can unlock the secret to getting your kids to actually enjoy healthy snacks. Welcome to the world of sneaky healthy snacks, a game changer for parents everywhere. Let's face it, convincing children to choose a carrot stick over a bag of chips is no easy feat. Picky eating habits, the constant presence of processed snacks, and the ever-tempting allure of sugar-laden treats are just a few of the hurdles parents face every day. Sometimes it feels as if making healthy eating fun is an impossible task. But the truth is, with a little creativity, you can make wholesome snacks just as exciting as their less nutritious counterparts. Sneaky healthy snacks are all about incorporating nutritious ingredients into familiar forms that kids love. It's not about hiding vegetables or tricking kids. It's about reimagining how healthy food is presented and enjoyed. When kids see a snack that looks fun and tastes great, they're much more likely to give it a try and even ask for seconds. So, what does this look like in practice? Let's dive into some tried-and-true, sneaky, healthy snack ideas that have been winning over picky eaters and snack lovers alike. First up, fruit kebabs. Imagine skewers loaded with vibrant strawberries, juicy grapes, and sweet chunks of melon, arranged in rainbow patterns or even shaped like stars. The colorful display turns ordinary fruit into a party on a stick, and kids can even help build their own kebabs. Not only is this snack visually appealing, but it's packed with vitamins and fiber, making it a perfect option for growing bodies. Next, consider veggie chips, a crunchy alternative to traditional chips that doesn't compromise on flavor or fun. Slice sweet potatoes, zucchini, or beets into thin rounds, toss them with a little olive oil and seasoning, and bake until crisp. The result is a basket of chips that's not just tasty, but also loaded with nutrients. Kids love the crunch, and parents love the boost of vitamins and minerals. For a snack that feels like dessert but delivers a punch of protein, yogurt parfaits are a winner. Layer creamy Greek yogurt with fresh berries and a sprinkle of granola for a treat that's both satisfying and nourishing. The layers of color and texture make these parfaits irresistible, and the combination of yogurt and fruit provides a balance of protein, calcium, and antioxidants. Plus, you can customize them with your child's favorite fruits, or even add a drizzle of honey for extra sweetness. If your child loves sushi, or just the idea of bite-sized rolls, try nut butter banana sushi. Spread almond or peanut butter onto a whole wheat tortilla, place a banana in the center, roll it up, and slice into little rounds. Each piece looks just like a sushi roll, but inside is a blend of fiber, healthy fats, and natural sweetness. It's an easy snack to put together, and kids get a kick out of the fun presentation. Looking for something even more inventive? Let's talk about mini veggie popsicles. This creative snack blends vegetables like cucumber and spinach with sweet fruits such as apple or pineapple, then freezes the mixture in mini popsicle molds. The result is a refreshing frozen treat that's bursting with flavor and vitamins. Kids love popsicles, and these mini versions offer a cool way to sneak in extra veggies without sacrificing taste or excitement. Imagine the delight on your child's face when they realize their favorite frozen snack is actually good for them. Of course, the secret to sneaky, healthy snacks isn't just about clever recipes. It's about making nutrition fun. Get your kids involved in the kitchen, whether it's helping to arrange fruit kebabs, mixing up yogurt parfaits, or choosing their favorite veggie chip flavors. When children participate in making their own snacks, they're more likely to eat them and develop a positive relationship with healthy foods. Another pro tip for parents is to use playful shapes and presentations. Cookie cutters can turn sandwiches or cheese slices into stars and hearts. Bento-style lunchboxes make it easy to pack a variety of small, colorful snacks that feel like a treat. Dips are always a hit. Pair sliced veggies or whole grain crackers with hummus or homemade guacamole. Sometimes it's all about the packaging. A cute cup, a whimsical skewer, or a rainbow arrangement can transform even the simplest snack into something special. Let's highlight one particularly creative idea that really captures the essence of sneaky healthiness: the mini veggie popsicles. Blending vegetables with sweet fruits to make a popsicle not only delivers a nutritional punch, but also presents a snack in a way that kids are excited to eat. These popsicles are cold, colorful, and easy to grab on the go, perfect for hot afternoons or after-school treats. Plus, you can customize the flavors to suit your child's preferences, making them endlessly versatile. As you experiment with these sneaky healthy snacks, remember that balance is key. The goal isn't to eliminate all treats or make every snack a nutritional powerhouse. It's to create habits and experiences that help kids enjoy eating well. By pairing good nutrition with great taste and fun presentation, you set your child up for a lifetime of healthy eating. So, what's the takeaway for parents looking to make snack time healthier and happier? Start with what your child already loves, then add a twist that boosts nutrition. Focus on variety, color, and playful shapes. And most importantly, make it a shared experience. Whether you're cooking together, taste testing new recipes, or coming up with your own creative ideas. If you found these tips helpful, and you're looking for even more inspiration on healthy eating strategies for kids, be sure to subscribe for regular updates. Together, we can make snack time delicious, nutritious, and fun for kids and parents alike.